Now, let's go take care of the puppy. Fetch. Bath. Lunch. Nap. What's the first thing on Clarabelle's list? Fetch. Right. But what are we going to play fetch with? Oh, I know. Why don't we check our mouse-ga-tools? Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!" A shovel, a glue stick, a super bouncy ball, or the mystery mouse-ga-tool. What can we use to play fetch with Bella? The super bouncy ball. Right! Oh, we got ears. Say cheers! That's right, Pluto. It's your favorite super-duper bouncy ball. Okay, Bella, let's go play some fetch. Ready, Bella? Here it comes. Great jumping, Bella. Okay, Pluto, your turn.
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we can share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
Wait!